Hey everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. This week is a dry topic as we talk about the drying of wood. See, inside wood are these small cells that store moisture, and as wood dries, they shrink up a bit. Now let's imagine that you have fresh green boards stacked and stickered and ready to dry. If you were to let them dry naturally, they'll do so slowly over time, and the moisture content will come down to match the surrounding air. But as it does this, it does it unevenly because nature is not perfect. So some parts will dry quicker than others, causing warping. If warping is not an option, you might want to consider drying them in a kiln. These giant ovens are designed to dry wood fast and evenly. But what happens with this is those cells, they just shrink up so fast that tension builds up inside the wood, causing stress checks, and it can cause the wood to become brittle. There's always a trade-off between speed and quality. Wood is no exception.